А сейчас спали тебе что-нибудь, мама. Лучше. He smells it.
Okay, well, that's interesting. You know why?
Why?
Because
ears are up, they're relaxed. If they narrow their eyes and lower their ears, they're becoming aggressive. Eyes open but ears back means they're hey, somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get
Selfie queen. Look how pretty she is.
She's so pretty. What? Say it again. What? Hold on. But what did you...
Dude, are you okay? Do you know how a door works?
My cat wants to bite me. Yeah. Менять.
I told you not to step out of the shower naked in front of my cat.
Turn this off?
No, you're going to your own home if you keep traumatizing my cat.
I don't have
Look
no
at
problem
him!
doing that.
Look at him! He is traumatized.
Get the back. Don't touch me, bitch.
蜜莉，你尴尬的。
Dear my beloved audiences, today I want to tell you a story, which is called The Tale of Bramble, the Storm Hound. In a quiet village nestled between the whispering woods and the howling peaks, there lived a scruffy, clever dog named Bramble. Bramble was no ordinary dog. His fur shimmered with hints of silver when the moonlight touched him, and his eyes gleamed with an intelligence that made villagers whisper, "That dog knows more than he lets on." Bramble belonged to no one never. He would sleep under the baker's porch, help the blacksmith by fetching his tools, and herd the shepherd's flock with uncanny precision. Yet at night, he would disappear into the forest, always returning with bits of stardust on his paws. One fateful evening, as storm clouds brewed unnaturally fast over the peaks, the village elder summoned the townsfolk to whisper. "The storm is coming," she said gravely. "But this is no ordinary weather. I sense magic, dark and old." The villagers murmured, worried. Bramble, watching from the shadows, growled. He felt it too, a ripple in the fabric of the world. That night, as thunder cracked and wind howled like ancient spirits, Bramble ventured into the forest. The trees were restless, their branches twisting unnaturally. Lightning lit the path ahead, guiding him to a hidden glade no human had entered in 100 years. In the center stood a stone obelisk covered in runes. A voice echoed from within. "Stormhound, you are needed." Bramble stepped forward and the runes glowed. The voice belonged to Ellerin, the spirit of the glade. "The balance is broken," she whispered. "The Storm King has awakened beneath the howling peaks. Only one born of sky and earth can stop him, and that is you, Bramble." Memories stirred within him. Dreams he'd had of running through clouds, barking thunder, chasing lightning. He had always known he was different. "You must climb to the peak," Ellerin said, "and retrieve the heart of storms before the Storm King reaches it. If he does, he will shatter the sky itself." Bramble bowed, determination burning in his heart. Ellerin gifted him a collar made of woven silver winds. It gave him speed as swift as a gale and protected him from enchantments. His journey began that night. Through the whispering woods he ran, where trees spoke in riddles and shadows moved on them. He outsmarted a band of trickster foxes by solving their riddle. What walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 at noon, and none by night. Time. Bramble barked, and the path opened. At the edge of the forest, he encountered the river of mists. No boat could cross it, and the waters swallowed life. But Bramble remembered the old tales, and how the river would part for those who carried the silver star. He rolled in stardust at the riverbank, and the waters obeyed, revealing stepping stones of glowing crystal. 3 days later, Bramble reached the base of the Howling Peaks. The mountains groaned with ancient magic. Creatures of stone and snow prowled its slopes. But Bramble was brave. He climbed narrow ledges, braved avalanches, and faced a frost dragon guarding the mid-mountain pass. The dragon, old and tired, challenged him not with fire, but with a test of hope. Why do you climb, little hound? To protect the ones who cannot protect themselves, Bramble replied. The dragon's eyes shimmered. She saw his truth. Then I shall aid you. With a gust of her icy breath, she cleared the path, whispering, beware the false wind near the sun. Bramble pushed on. As he neared the peak, the air grew thin and charged with power. He reached the Storm King's sanctuary, an ancient temple carved into the mountain itself. There the Storm King waited. He was a titan cloaked in black clouds, eyes crackling with electricity. The heart of storms pulsed beside him on a pedestal, a crystal that glowed with raw sky. So, the Storm King, the Hound of Legend. Do you truly think you can stop me? Bramble stood his ground, teeth bared, wind swirling around. The Storm King raised a hand, summoning bolts of light. But Bramble dodged, faster than the eye could follow. He leaped, biting at shadows, distracting the king. The temple trembled with their battle. Using the power of his wind collar, Bramble created a vortex, pulling the heart of storms toward him. But the Storm King struck, pinning Bramble with thunder. As the Titan loomed to deliver the final blow, Bramble summoned his last strength and howled. Not a normal howl, but one of pure storm. The mountains echoed. The clouds answered. The wind rose. A great gale tore through the temple, lifting Bramble and flinging the Storm King back. The heart of storms shattered in midair, releasing a pulse of ancient magic. The Storm King screamed as he was pulled back into the depths of the mountain, sealed once more. Bramble collapsed. When he awoke, he was in the glade again. Ellerin stood over him, smiling sadly. You saved the skies, she said, but your journey is not yet done. He was different now, taller, his silver fur glowed. The villagers no longer saw him as just a dog. They built him a home on the hill where he could watch over them. And when storms gathered, they knew Bramble, the storm hound, would be there to protect them. Silent, swift, and eternal. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It will really help our channel grow. But if you don't like it, then just skip it, and don't forget to check out our other videos. Thank you very much and goodbye.